Ganun talaga. You
Tough.
know, you can't have it all.
Nung bata pa tayo, marami tayong gusto. Gusto mong maging basketball player, maging chef, maging artista. But then, sinabihan ka ng magulang mo, "Anak, huwag kang masyadong ambisyoso. You cannot have it all." Pero, totoo ba ito? Multiple choice ba ang buhay na kailangan mamili ka lang ng isa? Masama bang mangarap? Masama bang maging ambisyoso? Ano ang mas malawak na epekto nito sa mindset natin? Nagkaroon tayo ng concept na kapag gwapo, baka bobo. Kapag mayaman, malamang masamang tao. Or kung successful ang karir, malamang palpak ang pamilya. This statement is damaging and limiting us to the possibilities of life. I don't want to invalidate heart's feelings. Masakit mawalan ng anak. Pero mahirap lang pag na-ingrain sa mindset natin na you cannot have it all. She is 39 years old and kung maayos ang health niya, pwede pa siyang i-bless the Lord na magkaroon ng baby. And yan din yung sinabi ni Chase na he's predisposed to God's will. So, instead of saying na we cannot have it all, let's say na I will do my best and God will do the rest. Huwag ka lang magiging attached sa plans or goals mo na kapag hindi mo ito na-achieve, parang wala nang silbi ang buhay mo. My friends, we are born without any material possessions and we will live the world the same way. Have you learned something? Follow our page for more videos about improving your mindset. Change your mindset, change your life.